Everyone's suddenly obsessed with agentic loops. Let's cut through the noise. Boris from Cloud Code says he doesn't prompt Claude anymore, he writes loops and the loops do the prompting. Sounds futuristic. Here's what it actually means. Normally you're the bottleneck, you prompt, the AI responds, you review, you prompt again. One step at a time. That doesn't scale for long jobs. A loop flips this. You set the goal and the stopping condition up front. Then an orchestrator keeps prompting the AI based on whatever state the work is currently in until it hits that stopping condition. Tests pass, max iterations reached, whatever you define. Your job didn't disappear. It moved to the front. You're not babysitting every step anymore, but you're writing the spec that controls hundreds of steps you'll never see. Is this new? Not really. This idea has been around since 2022. Agents that act, check results, repeat. AutoGPT tried this in 2023 and became famous for burning tokens for hours and shipping nothing. The newer version is disciplined. Same instructions, fresh context each time, so it doesn't drift. And yes, some of you are thinking, this is just a cron job. Half right. The scheduling is cron. What cron never had is a brain in the middle, something that looks at the current state, decides the next move, checks its own work, and decides whether to continue. So what do you actually need to build one? Isolated workspaces so agents don't collide. Reusable skills so it's not relearning your standards every run. Connectors to open PRs, update tickets, a separate verifier. Never let the thing writing the code be the one that approves it. Memory on disk so failures don't mean starting from zero. That verification step is everything. Skip it and you're not automating, you're just generating confident garbage faster. Here's the part nobody's telling you. You can spin up 100 agents in parallel, but you still have to review and merge everything. Your review bandwidth is the real ceiling, not the tooling. More agents doesn't mean more of you. And the bigger risk, you stop understanding what's shipping. Things succeed quietly, 300 commits past where you last actually understood the code. For small stuff, fine. For anything that matters, someone has to stay accountable. That's still you. Your first prompt matters more now, not less. It's not one step you can correct. It's the seed for everything downstream. Vague specs don't get you one wrong guess. They get you the same wrong guess, repeated hundreds of times, and set a hard spending limit. Every token costs money, and set it and forget it can quietly burn your wallet. Loops aren't magic. They're plumbing plus verification plus really good seed instructions. Get those right and the results compound. Get them wrong and you're just paying to generate noise fast. That's the real story behind agentic loops. See you in the next one.